Hi there, and welcome back. We are starting where we left off last time with the clean of the car. Firstly, let's remove these ancient decals, and then we can get down and dirty with the rest of the grime on the vehicle. Let's see how it comes up. So it appears I am now behind the camera. We've managed to get stickers off this one side.
Yeah.
Clean it, and we found that we had tints as well, so taking them off. God awful spoilers, and he's coming to pick that up. I won't tell him it's god awful when he picks it up. So, and this is what it's all about. Look, playing with the car. Got Tucker. Got his boy who just made a bad financial decision with that bike. So here she is, looking a lot happier with just the removal of vinyl stickers and the tints. I've only had 2 people so far ask me why I've cleaned it, and I should be getting more involved, but I think getting to a baseline first is a good call. So it's time to actually clean it now. We've just got the windows looking a bit better, and away we go. There is a lot of contaminants still in the car, hidden in there, hidden in all shuts. We've done our best to get it out for the time being. I think we're just going to get a baseline wash done on it. I have actually polished a little bit the tailgate. Yeah, I'm going to end up polishing.
50 on a mountain bike.
I don't think I want to. And then, as if by magic, it's cleaned and moved. The eagle-eyed amongst you as well may notice slight changes. Thanks, John. You are the man, and I'm not going to pay you as well. We will be taking on arguably the worst job of the car. So, without further ado, let's do some easy work and get involved. So, at the third time of asking, Euros have supplied me these Bosch wipers. So we will see. We do like the JDM disc, but I think I've had my money's worth out of these. So we're going to just chuck the battery on it, see if the wipes wipe, and maybe even see if the washers wash. Why not, eh?
Wow, they can really dance.
Oh, they are really powerful. Oh, is she warming up? Let's go full. Pump works. We saw, and now we're on to this monstrosity. So if my budding cameraman would help me out here. You may notice the unions which have been jammed in, and that is actually an airline union. You may notice the quality of this wiring. I have absolutely no idea where they're taking the power from. And the reason they've done this is because there is a horrendous smell coming from the fuel tank. And anyone who knows about an older car will know that fuel doesn't like being sat for multiple years. So we have taken the access flaps off, as you will see in the back. Oh wow. Oh dear. Oh, and it's really full. However, that isn't always a really bad thing. If it's full of fuel, it might not be as rusty. Okay, let's have a look.
Yeah, on.
Okay, so I'm back. I managed to scoop out what can only be described as something that would come out of a fox. We're going to show you on the side because I've just put new gloves on because it wasn't very nice.
Easy now, just. Japanese rocks, mate. JDM, yo.
Was that what the dust is?
Just dust, just dusty dust, Japanese dust. So that really help. I've got no room to really swing the hammer. Okay, keep it going.
So, with no time like the present, it's time to get it up on axle stands and get that fuel tank down. What a horrible, horrible job. The heritage of this gravel rally car certainly showed, and I was showered in all of the Japanese gravel. But with the fuel looking like iron brew and probably tasting like it, we had no choice. Next thing, off to Exeter to collect a new tank.
Hello.
Hello and welcome back. We're nearly in Exeter. We got up at 5 o'clock this morning, and as you can see, we're well and truly in the countryside. Hopefully he's going to fit past in his tractor. Yeah, so yeah, I think we're going to go. We go now. Oh, put it in gear. So, let's get this one stripped and then we will fit the fuel pump and I will show you some fun bits along the way. So, here you go. It's really, really close now. This car's been off the road for about 10 years and I cannot wait to bring it back, get out there, do some track days and have some real fun in this car. It's been great to have my friends over and that's what this is all about. It's all about having a bit of a community and being able to take people out and having a bit of fun. As part of that community, it would make a massive difference to me if you could consider subscribing. It really helps this channel grow and allows me to bring you more, better content. So don't forget, hit that button and let's get this car back on the road. So yes, we're just putting the Propo shaft on, or if you're in America, drive share, I believe that is right. And then we're going to chuck the exhaust on and then we're going to run it up for a bit longer. We've all made our prayers to the God of cam belts so it doesn't just snap on me. And then we are in big trouble. But yeah, we'll see if it does snap. And then we can run it up for a little bit longer. I can take my oil sample. Very exciting. And yeah, and then hopefully might even be able to drive it out. And then I'm going to have a rest because I'm very tired because I've done about 50 hours on this car this week. Yes, we thought we'd get some death. How is that? Do you think I should order a transmission jack? Yes. I think I should. So we're up at least. It wasn't too bad with the use of 3 people, was it? And now we put bolts in, it runs, very much exciting. Try and get this started up. And then, like magic, I turned the key and it fired up. No, it didn't. In fact, there was a fault with one of the relays. Thank you, Wire Monkey, and thank you to the owner's manual. And we found out what was wrong, and next, this happened. Video. So instead of working under the vehicle as we were before, I will be spending time in the wheel arch.